Honda Civic Display audio systems in 2017-2023 models sometimes freeze due to software issues or heat. The first step is a soft reset, also called a reboot. Press and hold the power button, or home plus back plus power, for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. This fixes temporary glitches without losing any data. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset or factory reset. For newer models, navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. Remember to back up your data first, as this will wipe all personal information. For older models, disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes while the vehicle is off. This performs a hard reset by clearing the system power. Make sure to follow safety procedures when working with the battery. Important safety note: never perform any resets while driving. Always ensure the vehicle is parked and the ignition is off to avoid any risks. If the screen is completely frozen, try a forced reboot by holding the power and volume buttons simultaneously. Ensure the car is in park with the ignition off. Software updates are key to preventing these issues. Newer Civics from 2022-2025 receive over-the-air updates that improve stability. Check Honda's app for remote diagnostics and resets. AI integration is on the horizon. Future models are expected to feature embedded AI that predicts and prevents glitches. Also consider that most display audio problems in Hondas are software-based and resolvable via resets.